How to log in Amazon Prime on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into Amazon Prime on mobile, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to log into Amazon Prime on mobile, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all download the Prime Video application. So if you haven't done so, head over to your Play Store and then simply search for Prime Video. Make sure to download the app. Once you've downloaded or updated Prime Video, I want you to open it up. Now there's really nothing difficult in logging into Prime Video. It's just like how you're logging to any of the other accounts. Once you open the app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just have to tap the allow option. Now in case you happen to forget your password, then you can just tap the forgot password option from the top right in order to go ahead and then reset your password. Otherwise you can just come back. If you don't have a new Amazon or Prime Video account, you can tap on the create button from here. Otherwise you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter your email address as well as the phone number in this case, and then after that you'll be able to successfully sign in to your Prime Video account. This way you can log into Prime Video on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.